At Liferay, we're dedicated to helping manufacturers grow through superior after-sales experiences, reducing the cost to serve customers, and minimizing their unplanned downtime. If you, as a manufacturer, can help to keep your customers operational, then you become more than a vendor. You become a valued partner. A smart customer portal built on Liferay makes it easy for you to achieve this. Liferay lets you share your customers' equipment portfolios in one place, bringing together their past purchases, service records, and even IoT telemetry data with open, flexible APIs. And then surfacing it in an engaging experience that allows for easy maintenance planning to keep things operational. Plus, with our out-of-the-box knowledge base, you can keep customers educated on the best practices on operating your equipment. With support for renewable subscription contracts, Liferay allows you to set up recurring maintenance reminders, service visits, or parts orders. For example, your customers can sign up for periodic purchases of consumable parts on a schedule that maximizes uptime and extends equipment lifespan. Liferay also lets you create product bundles to make ordering easy, while at the same time ensuring compatibility, which, as a bonus for you, reduces costly returns. If your customers aren't up and running, they're not making money. Make every second count and help your customers minimize unplanned downtime. Learn more at liferay.com/manufacturing.